Alright guys, so we got all the shells out of the box and pretty much ready to go. These are all the shells that we're going to use in the comparison. Don't mind the ball shell kits around here. This isn't a seance or anything. This is just my presentation for the ball shell tribute demo that I'm going to be doing pretty much after this canister shell comparison. So we'll get to that another day. Right now I wanted to show you guys all the shells that I'm going to be demoing. I'm not going to weigh any of them because, I mean, unless I'm opening up the shell and measuring the composition, it really doesn't really matter much. I mean, some of the shells weigh more than others, but that doesn't mean, like, if it's just a little bit, it doesn't mean that it's going to perform better. I mean, it could be attributed to the clay and whatnot. So we got the wCrackle shells here. These are from these have the letters HD on them, means these are from the heavy duty assortment. And these are from the single pack or single shell kit that I purchased from American Fireworks. Both are from American Fireworks, by the way. And these are the Up and Over shells by Shogun. And these are the, oh gosh, Ghost Killer shells by Magnus, I believe. These are the HD shells by Biggs. These are the Kick-Ass artillery shells by Dominator. And these are the Biggs Pro shells. These are the these are 1.5 inch shells. These are Freedom Defender by T-Sky. These are the wide load shells by Winda. These are 1.5 inch shells. These are the only two 1.5 inch shells, by the way, that we're going to be using in the demo. The rest of these are regular shells. We got the Neon Skies by Raccoon. And these shells are Your Tube by T-Sky. They're not labeled for effect, unfortunately. Most of these effects, just so you know, are going to either be Chrysanthemum or Palm. Kind of like a Chrysanthemum. It's between Chrysanthemum, Palm, and maybe a couple Willows, but most of them are Chrysanthemum effects. And the second shell that I'm going to be using, for the most part, is going to be a Crackling effect. If I couldn't find a Crackling effect, I'd just use a Strobe effect as a replacement. This one is the Dragon Rage shell by T-Sky. These are the Wildcat cartridges by Realtree. And this one is the Grucci canister shells by Phantom, or Grucci. And the rest of these here are all 5-inch cans. We got the Pyro Nation Jawbreakers here. Got the Faces of Death here. This is the 2017 version of the Faces of Death. These are the 5-inch American Super Shells. These are the Independence Day 5-inch cans. I have them labeled at the bottom here, if I couldn't figure out what they were. These gold ones are, gosh, the Nishiki Willow shells. So the 5-inch Nishiki canister shells. And this is by Raccoon. These are the Raging Bull shells by Maddox. And finally, these are the G.O.A.T shells, greatest of all time, by Dominator. So altogether, we have 20 different types of shells, but overall, we're going to be demoing 44 or 42 shells. So we got 42 total shells. The two extra shells are the Excalibur shells from the heavy-duty assortment. As I mentioned before, I don't know which one is from the 2018 lot year or 2019 lot year, or if they're both from either year. I couldn't tell you guys for sure, but we'll find out. I mean, if they're a little bit weaker, then more than likely they're from the 2019 lot year. If either of them are stronger or like really strong, then those are definitely the 2018 versions. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's get this demo underway, and we'll see you guys at the launch site. Freedom Defender, shell number 1. Wow, those are nice. 1.5 inch. Freedom Defender, shell number 2. By T-Sky. That was alright. First one was very good. Wide Load, Chrysanthemum by Winda. Chrysanthemum shell. Damn. Yeah, those 1.5 inches wide load are pretty good. Second one, wide load by Winda. The green wave with Crackle, I believe. Wow. Wide load is nice. For 1.5 inch, that's very good. Okay, we got the Independence Day 5-inch shells by Raccoon. This is the Crackling Willow effect. 5-inch shells. Nice. Alright, Independence Day shell number 2. The palm effect shell. Damn. That was nice. Oh yeah. Alright, got Raging Bull by Mad Ox. The first one is the Crackling effect shell. It's 5-inch shells. Alright, Raging Bull by Mad Ox. This is the Willow shell. Willow effect. 5-inch shells. These are alright. I mean, they're not the best, but they're okay. Yep, got the Up and Over shell. This is the blue shell, not labeled for effect. By Shogun. Oh. They're decent. Alright, Up and Over shell, the green shell, not labeled for effect, by Shogun. Damn! Yeah, that was loud. Alright, we got the Kick-Ass Artillery shell. This thing is green and white strobe, I believe. Damn! Alright, second Kick-Ass Artillery shell. I believe this one has either the Crackling or Chrysanthemum in it. Okay, we got the HDSHELLS by Big, Blood Red. God. Alright, second HD shell, Cyanine plus lemon and plus another color. I forgot. I think it's violet. Okay, we got Dragon Rage by T-Sky. This is the first one, and they're not labeled for effect. Ah, damn, those broke low. Those broke low. Alright, second Dragon Rage shell by T-Sky. Not labeled. At least I had Crackling in it. Alright, we got Ghost Killer by Magnus, the Crackle effect shell. Damn! Magnus, gosh, Magnus shell, I forgot the name. Alright, let me flip out the case. Alright, Pro Shell, Crackling effect. Damn! Pro shells are loud. Pro shell. Pro shell, Chrysanthemum effect. Wow, those are loud. And they hit. Alright, we got Greatest of All Time by Dominator. This is the Crackling effect shell. The G.O.A.T shells. Decent. Alright, Chrysanthemum shell, greatest of all time. Damn! Okay, I think that one was the Crackling. The first one was Chrysanthemum. Alright, Grucci Shells by Phantom. Crackling Chrysanthemum. Wow. Those hit. Better than the shell I let off last year. Alright, Grucci shell number 2. I believe this is the strobe and color effect shell, or wave effect. Nice. Alright, Your Tube by T-Sky. Black shell. Damn! Alright, Your Tube. Gold shell. Not labeled for effect by T-Sky. Shit! That one broke low, but it broke hard. Alright, Neon Skies by Raccoon. This is the Chrysanthemum shell, I believe. Or Crackle. Alright, this is the second Neon Skies by Raccoon. Oh, that was nice. Lace effect. Alright, we got Cat Cartridges by Wheeltree. And this is the Chrysanthemum, Silver Chrysanthemum shell. Damn, I think they had mines to it. Alright, second Cat Cartridge. And this is the Crackling effect shell by Realtree. Those are nice. Alright, we got the 5-inch American Super Shell. And this one is the Crackling effect shell. Oh. Nice. Alright, second 5-inch American Super Shell. And this one is the Purple Wave, I believe. Ow, that broke low. Damn! Alright, we got Faces of Death. And this is the Crackling effect shell. This is the 2017 version. Damn, those went high. Alright, Faces of Death, shell number 2, Chrysanthemum effect. Wow. Those went high and they hit. Yeah, 2017s were definitely better.
I know. I live here since '79, bro. Before you guys, a lot of you guys were born.
Oh, dude, I live right next door to John.
Nice.
Is it the
Pyro
Yukon
Nation
or the
Chrysanthemum effect?
Yep.
Chrysanthemum effect. Damn. Oh yeah, Chrysanthemum
nice.
with Crackle. Pyro Nation.
That one was nice.
Yep. All right, Excalibur, blue shell. Probably mislabeled. That one may have been 2019, I don't know. Yep, Excalibur, yellow shell from the shell kit. Regular shell kit. Those may have been the 2019s. Excalibur shell from the heavy duty assortment. The blue shell. It's mislabeled. Damn! I think those were the 2018s. I think. I do not know. I think they're 2019s, but who knows? Alright. Second Excalibur shell from the heavy duty assortment. God damn! Yeah, that's 2018. I think those are 2018s. 5-inch Nishiki shells by Raccoon. This is Nishiki with peach. I love peaches. Nice fruit. Oh, that is nice. Oh, that is nice. Oh, damn, it's still coming down. Nishiki with green. Damn it, Forrest Gump, slow down. Oh my God. Oh my God, these are awesome. These are my favorite for sure. I should have bought a case of these. Oh, that's it, guys. I vote for the Nishiki shells just because of the effect, not just the loudness.